Maytag washer drain overflow problems can totally mess up your laundry day, but fixing them doesn't have to be a nightmare if you know what to do. So, first off, check the drain hose for any kinks or clogs. Sometimes it's just a simple blockage messing with the water flow. Make sure the hose is positioned correctly, not too low or too high, because that can cause water to back up and overflow. You want to clean out the pump filter too, which can get gunked up with lint or coins, stopping the water from draining properly. If your washer's making weird noises while draining, it could mean the pump is struggling and might need replacing. Also, don't overload your washer. Too many clothes can stop water from draining right. Keep an eye on the drain pipe outside your house as well. Sometimes it gets clogged and causes backups. If you're dealing with soap suds overflow, switch to high-efficiency detergent designed for your machine. Lastly, run a cleaning cycle on your washer every month to keep everything flowing smoothly and avoid buildup. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Maytag washer drain overflow is ignoring the drain hose positioning. If that hose isn't at the right height, water won't drain properly and will overflow. Fix it by adjusting the hose to be about 36 inches off the ground. Another common issue is neglecting the pump filter, which leads to serious clogs. Clean it out regularly to avoid this problem. The third mistake is overloading your washer. Stuffing it with too many clothes blocks drainage and causes overflow. To fix it, just wash smaller loads that give water enough room to move around. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with washer repairs and more. Plus, contractors get matched with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.